Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of Yascoin, the Telegram mining project. In previous video, I told you some big thing is coming in the future. Finally, you can connect your wallet. Finally, you can connect BitGet wallet inside Yascoin. Distribution is coming. Airdrop is coming. Even listing of Yascoin is coming in the future. So inside this video, step by step, I will show you how to connect your wallet. Even I will show you how to participate in the giveaway. There are $30,000 I give away. If you win, you will get reward. So share this video with your referrals, with everyone, with your friends, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Yascoin mining project, pre-sale project, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. Okay guys, finally Yascoin collaboration with BitGet wallet. So this is the latest update. It means that now you can connect your BitGet wallet inside Yascoin because the distribution is coming. It means that we will get our token, our airdrop inside BitGet wallet. So how to enter? Follow BitGet wallet, the Yascoin Twitter account, join the BitGet wallet Telegram channel, just play Yascoin and connect your wallet. For the tag 3 friends in the comment section, so you will get 30,000 prize giveaway. So there will be 1,000 lucky winners. So 30,000 will be distributed to 1,000 lucky winners on August 18, 2024. You will make sure to participate in here. Agree the terms and condition. This is the link. Okay. Inside this video, although you can watch this video, you can watch the video how to create account, how to create BitGet wallet, even how to connect your wallet. Again, if you don't know, because inside this video, step by step, I will show you how to just connect your BitGet wallet with Yascoin. Okay, now let's jump to mobile phone. I don't want to waste your time. So this is the Yascoin Telegram mining application. For now, you can see my balance is 34,000. Somehow I can say the boot is not working. The boot is not working. What I think. Okay, how to connect your BitGet wallet? Simply click on Earn a menu section. Click on this. Now you can see this option. Connect wallet is now live. It means that now you can connect your wallet. As you know, we just connected our wallet inside WCoin. We just connected our wallet inside Hamstar Compact, inside Pixel Wars. I can say TapSwap wallet connection is coming. Even Mobiverse, even other mining project. Okay, so this is the task. Connect your BitGet wallet. You will get 500,000 reward. Even join 50,000 BitGet raffle interest, you will get 100,000. Even join 30,000 giveaway, you will get 150,000 Yascoin as a reward. Okay, now let's go to with this task. Connect your BitGet wallet. Click on this. Okay, now in here, simply select BitGet wallet. If you don't have BitGet wallet inside your mobile phone, make sure to install it inside your mobile phone. Create BitGet wallet. It's simple. Okay, now click BitGet wallet. This is my BitGet wallet because already I just created BitGet wallet. I just installed BitGet wallet. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the BitGet wallet. Okay, now click approve. Now connecting your wallet. Okay, authorized. Authorization for Yascoin. Return to the website or stay in wallet. Okay, now if we go back, if we check in here, finally, wallet connected. I just connected my BitGet wallet. This is very simple. Connecting wallet is very simple. What do you need? Simply install BitGet wallet application inside your mobile phone, create account, and then simply connect your wallet. This is very simple. If you face any kind of problem, you can ask me in the comment section. Even you can see Toon ecosystem Carnival, Yascoin. Complete designated Yascoin task to receive 3 raffle interest and stack a chance to earn your reward. So stacking in progress, 26 day. Total reward 30,000 coin. You can join it now. Even further, if I scroll down, you can see other thing inside the BitGet wallet. Further about the earning, even you can see in here. This is about the Yascoin. This is about the Pixel Wars. So this is all about the BitGet wallet. You can check it. Make sure to install it. Make sure to create an account because you need to connect your BitGet wallet with Yascoin. Okay, now if you go back, finally I just connected my wallet. You can see. So the second task is join 30,000 giveaway. In here you can see you need to just complete these things in order to get 150,000 yes coin reward. Even if you just win in here, you will get 30,000 prize pool. 30,000 distributed to 1,000. So I just completed other things. Like if I click on this, now we need to, yeah, in here some kind of problem, create new. This is the thing. Make sure to complete it. This is the Bitget wallet. Page does not exit. Okay, if I go back, check the task. Let's wait whether I will get or no. Yeah, finally. I think I just received the reward. Yeah, I just received the reward because I completed all the tasks. Okay, the second one is join 50,000 Bitget raffle interest. You can just join in here. This is the Toon Ecosystem Carnival. Check in here. This is the rules. Make sure to check the rules. How to participate in here in order to get the reward. Even about my rewards, open Bitget Wallet app to view the page. Bitget Wallet, jumping to now. Okay, if we check in here, yeah, you can see. For now, I don't have any reward because I did not complete any task. So this is how you can complete. Even you will get one toon, like 5 toon. Even I can say 10,000 fish, 500 node coin. Even you will get about toon net 1,000. This is all the reward. This is all the reward. Okay, if we go back here. Okay, let's go back to the YesCoin application. Okay, let me just check the task whether I will get or no. Let's check it. Yeah, I just get it. I just get it. Okay. So if I show you my balance now, my balance is 35 million. 35 million. So finally, I just connected my wallet. I just connected my wallet. You can see in here. Would you like to disconnect? No. So this is a very easy task how to connect your Bitget wallet inside YesCoin. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comment section if you face any kind of problem. YesCoin distribution is coming after 20 days. And then Bitget wallet connection, even listing is coming. So continue the mining and then smash the like button 20 while time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. This video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.